how to download and install Android Studio in your PC or laptop. So first of all, you can open any of your browser, then type download Android Studio. Click on the first link. Here is the version of Android Studio. This is the latest version 2021.2.1. Click on download Android Studio. Then click this checkbox. Then download. Then save. Download starts. But I already downloaded the Android Studio in that file. Double click on that file. Then click on yes. Next. Then next. Then next. Then install. It will take some time. Then click on next. Once completed, then click on next. Then click on finish. Then this page appears. If you first time install the Android Studio, then click on do not import settings. It will take some time. Then click on don't send. Then next. Then standard. And next. Next. Then click on next. Then click on accept. Then finish. Guys, remember it will take 2 or 3 GB data. It will take some time, so I fast forward the video. Then this page appears and click on yes. And finally this page appears and this told us Android Studio is up to date, and click on finish. Here you can create new project. And click on any of them. I click empty activity. Here you can choose your project location and project name. This is the language, Java or Kotlin. I choose Java. And here you can select the Android version. Generally I used Android 4.1 Jelly Bean. Like it is approximately 100 run on approximately 100% devices. So click on finish, and it will take some time and lot of data. It also depends on your computer configuration. If you guys don't have 8 GB RAM at least, then please upgrade. This page appears and click on finish. Then this window appears and click on allow access. Android Studio is loading. You can minimize this window. It will take a lot of time, so I fast forward the video. So this page appears, and so we successfully install Android Studio on our computer or PC. And thank you.